And today I'm going to be not playing a game. Actually today I am going to be testing out this with you guys.
Can you tell people a little bit about the gun, just so they know how it works?
So like, the gun is always an important one. You want, no, it's not. But like, I need to tell you how to turn it on first. So if you want to turn it on, you got all the colours here, the switch. Then you see the colours, you want to pick which one you want, but you can't be the same colour, otherwise the same colour as the other person, you can't shoot each other. It's not going to work. But if you be this one here, well, I don't know what that one does.
So one's blue and one's red, and then you're opposite teams, yeah? And you can play against each other. Can you play more than just 2 players though?
You can play up to up to 4.
Okay, cool. That's excellent. And when you're actually playing, and say you run out of shots, how do you charge the gun up again?
You have to let the mist turn it on. When it makes the little cha-cha sound, that's when you've that reloaded. So look, there's 3 ways of doing this. First, I do it like this. You have to do it a couple of times. Then the other way of doing it, my dad does it. You have to hold it down for 2 seconds. 1, 2, and up. So that one is a good one, and this is the proper way of doing it. You have to do this. Wait. That's the way of 3 ways of recharging it. And see, if you get stuck, and you want to do that, so I thought I'd just do this, hold it down for 2 seconds and then put it up. So yeah, that's the way to recharge it.
Well, I think that's enough explaining how the gun works. Should we let the guys come in and watch our video?
Yeah, but we need to tell them this first.
Go on then.
You want to let the players the players want to shoot this to get your health down.
I see.
So if it gets 1 red, if it gets red, then you only need to do 1 last shot on it. And when it turns green, that means you've got full health. But it's a couple of shots, it turns the basics. I don't have any other ones, so I can't test it out. For example, if you, I don't know, I can't shoot myself as well.
It's okay, they're going to see it when we play, aren't they?
Okay. So this is about this thing. You want to keep this the important thing. So you can't let this go. Okay? So without further ado, let's get to this.